Sinong driver natin? Si Pogi. Titiwala ka sa driver natin? Tiwala ka na kay Kuya? Is it okay? Wala tayong choice eh.
Walang motor.
Wala yung motor eh.
Walang motor.
Wala yung motor eh. Kasi...
Na bago sa'yo.
Okay.
Yummy.
Yummy?
Do you wanna try?
No, I don't want to try.
It has a face. So nice.
Yeah. Why are you so ganda-ganda?
Hmm?
Bakit you're so ganda-ganda?